Hello from Shraddha from Love Bites. Kung Pao lotus root. Very simple to make. If you can get hold of lotus root or stem, please get it and make this. Very few ingredients needed. Actually not very few, but most of it are found in our pantry. Only extra thing you would need is the lotus stem or the root and the Sichuan peppers. After that, it's easy peasy, too simple and super delicious. Works beautifully for an appetizer. I can eat it for my mains also. Any stir fry and I'm game. So give it a try. Do like, do subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications and try the recipes. Thank you so much. Let's make the stir fry sauce for our lotus root. Dark soya sauce, light soya sauce, vinegar, some sesame oil, a bit of salt and a bit of sugar. Mix it and just keep it aside for now. Let's make some corn flour slurry and keep aside. A bit of corn flour, and in that just add some water. Mix it well and just keep it aside. Heat a pan with some extra oil in it. We're going to just fry our peanuts in this. Peanuts fry quite quickly, so just drain it. Keep it aside for now. In the same pan, we're going to take our lotus root and just fry it a bit. Just be careful. Just do it for a minute or two. You need to just brown it a little, not too much. Just check it. See, it's done. Just flip it over and just brown it lightly on both sides. It's done. I'm taking it out. So like this, finish all your lotus root stems. In the same pan, if you have some oil left over, use that. If you don't, just add a bit of oil. Once the oil heats up, we're going to add in sliced garlic, julienned ginger, red chili chopped, Sichuan peppercorns, and just saute it. After a minute or two, we're going to add in the white part of the spring onions. A quick saute. Do this on high if you can. The green part of the spring onions, the peanuts which we had fried, the lotus stem which we had fried and kept. Mix it. The stir fry sauce which you had made and kept aside, add that. Mix it. And the corn flour slurry, just add that. Just let it cook for a minute or so, not longer, and it's done. Wasn't this simple? So if you can get hold of lotus root stem, try and make it. This really comes out really well as an appetizer. Or if you want to make it for your main, just give it a little more gravy and it's great for a main also. Do give it a try. Thank you.